This face mask will hydrate and moisturize your dry skin and nourish it with vitamins and healthy fats. All we need here is 1 egg yolk, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, and few drops of lemon juice. Mix all the ingredients together and make a smooth paste. Now, clean your face and ensure there is no dust on it. And apply this face mask evenly on your face. Don't cover your eyes. Keep it for about 30 minutes. Once it's dry, take steam and gently remove this mask with the help of a cotton swab. Once it's dry, you might feel the tightening effect, but there is nothing to worry about. It's pretty normal. After that, rinse it properly with water. There is no need to use a face wash. It's great for those who have dry skin. Egg yolks are a great source of moisture. They contain cholesterol. Olive oil, on the other hand, helps to restore the hydration levels of your skin. Both of them together nourish your skin cells and give you that radiant glow. The protein in eggs helps in binding the skin tissue, due to which your skin gets its elasticity and promotes cell repair. It also helps in the regeneration of new skin cells. And the zinc and vitamin B2 present in the yolk will help you stay ageless. It aids in skin tightening, which keeps wrinkles miles away from you. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend, and thank you so much for watching.